Choose a backer rod diameter that is slightly larger than the crack width, so it compresses and fills the void for a tight, durable seal. Backer rod selection starts by measuring the narrowest width of the gap at the surface and at the body of the crack, because many cracks are hourglass shaped. Pick a rod diameter that will compress about 20 to 30% when installed, so the material stays snug without bulging above the joint surface. For cracks that vary in width along their length, plan to carry at least 2 different diameters and insert the larger size where the opening is widest, trimming lengths as you go so the rod sits continuously beneath the sealant. Use closed-cell backer rod for most exterior joints because it resists water absorption and provides a stable backing surface for sealants, while open-cell rod can be used where the sealant needs to reach into the void or where the joint needs additional compression. Install the rod with a blunt tool and avoid stretching it because stretched material will rebound and create gaps. Press the rod to a consistent depth, so the recommended sealant depth to width ratio is maintained, typically a 1/2 ratio for common sealants. If the crack is shallow and a single rod would sit too close to the surface, layer thinner rods or opt for a foam bow tie backer designed for shallow repairs to maintain proper sealant thickness. For very narrow cracks under 1/4 inch, consider using a smaller diameter rod or a foam-compatible sealant that does not require a backer rod, remembering that forcing an oversized rod into a tiny gap can create unpredictable stress on the repair. Common mistakes include choosing a rod that is the exact same size as the widest opening, which can lead to poor compression and a loose fit. Instead, choose a slightly larger diameter so the rod compresses and fills the joint. People often stretch the rod during installation, which reduces its effective diameter and causes voids. Avoid stretching by cutting manageable lengths and pushing the piece straight in with even pressure. Another frequent issue is placing the rod too close to the surface, which prevents the sealant from achieving the correct depth to width ratio. Set the rod deeper or use thinner rods so the sealant has the recommended thickness to flex without detaching. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with contractors by letting users search local listings and compare profiles, reviews, and project photos to find the right match for repairs like backer rod and sealant work. We also help contractors find work through our marketplace and host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common repair challenges together.